Hello students, welcome back to your maths class. In this video, we will study chapter 2 of standard 4th maths, that is long and short. Students, we had already explained the whole chapter, but today we will revise the main topics of the same chapter. So let's begin with the chapter now. So let's begin our today's session with what is length. Length is a term used for identifying the size of an object or the distance from one point to another. The next one is what is breadth. The distance or measurement from side to side of a figure is called breadth. Now come to the next point. What is height? The measurement of something or someone from head to foot or from base to top is called height. Students, let's revise it for your better understanding. You all know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Therefore, 2 kilometer is equal to 2000 meter. 3 kilometer is equal to 3000 meter. 5 kilometer is equal to 5000 meter. Next, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. Next one, 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter. 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter. Now, let's see how to convert kilometer into meter. Students, here you have to convert 1 kilometer 500 meter into meter. As you all know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So, 1 kilometer and 500 meter is equal to 1000 meter plus 500 meter. Students, we can write it because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Now, if you add them, then you will get 1500 meter. That means 1 kilometer 500 meter is equal to 1500 meter. Next, 5 kilometer 70 meter is equal to dash meter. Students, you all know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 5 kilometer is equal to 5 multiplied by 1000 meter is equal to 5000 meter. Now 5 kilometer 70 meter is equal to 5000 meter plus 70 meter. We can write 5000 because 5 kilometer is equal to 5000 meter. So we will add them. So you will get 5070 meter. So 5 kilometer 70 meter is equal to 5070 meter. Students, when we convert kilometer into meter, we have to multiply the number with 1000. Now, we will learn how to convert meter into centimeter. So here, you have to convert 1 meter 50 centimeter into meter. Students, you all know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 meter 50 centimeter is equal to 100 centimeter plus 50 centimeter. As you all know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, we can write 100 centimeter plus 50 centimeter and you will get 150 centimeter. That means 1 meter 50 centimeter is equal to 150 centimeter. Next, we have to convert 7 meter 80 centimeter into meter. As you all know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, 7 meter is equal to 7 multiplied by 100 centimeter. So, if you multiply 7 by 100, you will get 700 centimeter. That means 7 meter is equal to 700 centimeter. So 7 meter 80 centimeter is equal to 700 centimeter plus 80 centimeter. As you all know that 7 meter is equal to 700 centimeter. So we can write 700 centimeter plus 80 centimeter is equal to 780 centimeter. That means when we convert meter into centimeter, we have to multiply the number with 100. Now we will solve some word problems. Have you heard about a 1500 meter or 4000 meter race? Students, you remember that 1000 meters make 1 kilometer and 500 meters make half a kilometer. So, your question is, in a 1500 meters race, people run dash kilometer. Let's have a look on the solution. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, right? So, half kilometer is equal to half of 1000 meter. Half of 1000 means 500. That means half kilometer is equal to 500 meter, right? Now the question is 1500 meter is equal to dash kilometer. So we can write 1000 plus 500 meter, because if you add them you will get 1500 meter. As you all know that 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So definitely we can write 1 kilometer plus half kilometer. Why half kilometer? As half kilometer is equal to 500 meter, right? So we can write 1.5 kilometer. That means in a 1500 meters race, people run 1.5 kilometer. The next part of the question was, in a 4000 meters race, people run dash kilometer. Let's have a look on the solution. As you all know that 4000 meter is equal to 4 multiplied by 1000 meter. We can write it because if you multiply them, you will get 4000. So 4000 meter is equal to 4 multiplied by 1000 meter is equal to 4 multiplied by 1 kilometer. Why we have written 1 kilometer? Because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4. So the answer is 4000 meter equal to 4 kilometer. So in a 4000 meters race, people run 4 kilometer. Now come to the next question. In a marathon race, people have to run about 60 kilometers. People run marathons on road because the track of a stadium is only 600 meters. So, if you run a marathon on a stadium track, you will have to complete dash round. Let's have a look on the solution. Total length of the marathon race is equal to 60 kilometer. So, here we have to convert 60 kilometer into meter. Students, as you can see that the track of a stadium is only 600 meter. So here the unit is meter. That is why we have to convert this kilometer into meter. Now, as you all know that when we convert kilometer into meter, we have to multiply the number with 1000. That means 60 multiplied by 1000 meter is equal to 60,000 meter. Distance covered in one round of a stadium track is 600 meter. So, the number of rounds in 60,000 meter is equal to 60,000 divided by 600. Students, you can cover 600 meter in one round. Therefore, you have to find out the number of rounds in 60,000 meter. That means 60,000 divided by 600 is equal to 100. So, if you run a marathon on a stadium track, you will have to complete 100 rounds. The next word problem is Rehan has the longest jump of 5 meters 40 centimeter. Romit is second. His jump is 20 centimeter less than Rohan's. Ishan comes third. His jump is only 10 centimeter less than Romit's jump. So the question is, how long are Romit's and Ishan's jumps? Let's have a look on the solution. As you all know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, right? Rehan's jump is equal to 5 meter 40 centimeter as it is already given. Now Romit is second and his jump is just 20 centimeter less than Rehan's jump. So Romit's jump is equal to 5 meter 40 centimeter minus 20 centimeter. If you subtract 20 from 5 meter 40 centimeter, you will get 5 meter 20 centimeter. That means Romit's jump is 5 meter 20 centimeter long. Now come to the next part of the word problem. Ishan's jump is 10 centimeter less than Romit's jump. So Ishan's jump is equal to 5 meter 20 centimeter minus 10 centimeter. As you know that Romit's jump is 5 meter 20 centimeter and Ishan's jump is just 10 centimeter less than Romit's jump. Therefore, Ishan's jump is equal to 5 meter 20 centimeter minus 10 centimeter. So, if you subtract 10 centimeter from 5 meter 20 centimeter, you will get 5 meter and 10 centimeter. So, the answer is Romit's jump is 5 meter 20 centimeter and Ishan's jump is 5 meter 10 centimeter long. Let's have a look on the next solution. Mohan jumps 7 meter 30 centimeter. If Mohan could jump 10 centimeters longer, his jump would be full 8 meters. Let's have a look on the solution. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, jump of Mohan is equal to 7 meter 30 centimeter as it is already given, right? Now, we all know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, 7 meter is equal to 7 multiplied by 100. When we convert the meter into centimeter, we have to multiply the number with 100, right? So, we can write 7 multiplied by 100 plus 30 centimeter. Now, you will get 700 plus 30 centimeter is equal to 730 centimeter. That means jump of Mohan is equal to 730 centimeter. You all know that 8 meter is equal to 8 multiplied by 100 centimeter is equal to 800 centimeter. Thus, to reach 8 meters distance, Mohan needs to jump 800 centimeter minus 730 centimeter. If you subtract 730 from 800, you will get 70 centimeter. That means if Mohan could jump 70 centimeters longer, his jump would be full 8 meters. Let's have a look on the next word problem. In a long jump event, Richa jumps 6 meter 50 centimeter and Krina jumps 4 meter 30 centimeter. The question is, what is the difference between their jumps? So, let's have a look on the solution. As you all know that Richa's jump is 6 meter 50 centimeter and Krina's jump is 4 meter 30 centimeter as it is already given, right? So, we have to find out the difference between their jump. Students, I had already told you that to find out the difference, we will follow the subtraction method. So here you can see that we have to find out the difference between their jump. That means we will follow the subtraction method. So 6 meter 50 centimeter minus 4 meter 30 centimeter. If you subtract 4 meter 30 centimeter from 6 meter 50 centimeter, you will get 2 meter 20 centimeter. The answer is the difference between their jump is 2 meter 20 centimeter. Come to the next word problem. The doctor has told Sachin to run 2 km every day to stay fit. He took one round of this field. How far did he run? That means you have to find out the distance covered by Sachin every day. Let's have a look on the solution. Students, you all know that 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Now, the distance covered in one round of the field is equal to 500 plus 500 plus 500 plus 500 meter. Now, if you add them, you will get 2000 meter. As you all know that 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer, therefore 2000 meter is equal to 2000 divided by 1000 is equal to 2 kilometer. So Sachin ran 2 kilometer in one round of the field. Students, I hope you all have enjoyed today's revision session. I will give you the worksheet and the solution for the same. Till then, take care. Thank you.